Presented by FurReal Friends.
I'm Shauna.
And my name is Averie, and I'm 6.5. I like to paint people, backgrounds. I have painted a unicorn before, but not one like StarLily before. StarLily is really cool though.
The first time I laid eyes on FurReal Friends StarLily, my magical unicorn, her horn changed colors, her wings would move, and it was really amazing to see the unicorn come to life like that.
She lights up and her hoof, it like bends. And when her horn turns green, that means she's hungry. She has like a sugar berry. She does it.
She would feed her the sugar berry, and then StarLily would make these noises like she was pleased or she was happy that she and Averie had just had this interaction, and that was really cool to see.
With StarLily, I like to pet her, and when she feels something, she moves and makes sound. I like to comb her hair because I like the softness of it.
She absolutely takes care of StarLily. Averie wants a dog at some point, and we've talked about how she needs to be more responsible. You have to really be involved and hands-on, and StarLily is absolutely a good stepping stone to help her get more and more used to the idea of someday having a pet.
I feed her when her horn turns green, and I give her the care that she needs.
Batteries and comb not included.